in Iraq. Rotary winged flight. This particular aircraft was manufactured by Sikorsky. It's known as the Black Hawk. And Igor Sikorsky, the father of the modern helicopter, and the first of the 238 medevac at the Indiana Army National Guard are carrying out that vision of Igor Sikorsky, who overcame back in the 1930s some incredibly difficult check it out. We'll see you a little bit later. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to look to the right. Listen to the sound of round. Those are some. First one through is the bought F-4U Corsair. It was the last of the big piston engine singles that was made here in the United States, originally for the United States Navy, used extensively by the Navy and Marine Corps and the Royal Navy as well. And following it, the FM-2 Wildcat. Now, some people say, I thought it was the F-4F Wildcat. Right you are. Grumman fighter was kind of outclassed early in the war, but team tactics made it possible for the Wildcats to be successful against Japanese bombers and Zeros and other aircraft. Doing a barrel roll across the top. That F-4U Corsair was known by the Japanese as the Whistling Death. Early in the war, when the F-4U Corsair, which was also manufactured not only by Vaught, but also by Goodyear, let them pass one time without saying a word so you can hear them. There was some concern that they would have prop strikes. In other words, the propeller would actually gouge the deck of the carrier, potentially killing the pilot, damaging the engine, causing a total engine replacement. And so they had to build a landing gear that would support it. Unfortunately, carrier landings are extremely hard on every part of the air. Controlled crash landings that airplanes go through when they're landing just in a couple of 100 feet on the deck of a carrier. Then they bent the wing back up, and there you see that inverted gull shape or the bent wing bird.